instructor from Vikas Driving School. Today I have Samana with me. She feeling difficulty in a line changing. She has a fear and stress to do a line changing. So in this video I'm going to show you how to line change. So Samana, how you feel about line changing? You will practice a lot. Still you feeling fear and
Yeah,
stress?
yes.
Still you
I
feel?
practice so many, but when I want to line change,
Yep.
but so difficult for me. Why?
It's so difficult for you. You try a lot.
But from yesterday, I think little bit improve.
Yeah, yesterday my dear friend, we did a one lesson, very good lesson for a line changing. So she feeling little bit easy after that. So did you practice home for line changing, or you
No,
just prepare
only
your mind?
prepare mind, not
Prepare
a
your
home.
mind, yes, yes. Sometimes in student head, like they able to do it, but in their mind they think it's very hard. So you can go, this is give way traffic light. Give way traffic light means when light is green you need to go in the middle, you need to give way now, you need to give way and you can go now, you can go now when lights start to change, and when it's safe so you can go. So this is called give way traffic light, okay?
Yes.
So when you feel say no, we don't going to do line changing here, we're going to because here is very congested, so we don't want to stuck in a traffic. We will do after the next traffic light line changing practice.
Okay.
So you prepare your mind. So in lots of time what happens, student they able to do it, but in their mind that thing like any problem bigger than them, bigger
Yes.
than them. So that's why they're not able to do it, a line changing or anything. So it's not about they can do it, they can do it, but thing is that fear of line changing and fear stress, they're not able to do it. So today we're going to do it very easy way, line changing. I'm going to show you guys step by step how to do easy line changing. So I for yesterday line changing I told you couple of techniques for the line
Yes.
changing. When you line change, make sure always whenever examiner they say to you, or whenever you want to line change, what first thing what you need to do, indicator.
Yes.
First thing you need to do, give your indicator straight away, and after giving indicator no need to rush,
Yes.
no need to rush.
Uh,
Make sure do it when you feel safe. If you don't feel safe, don't do it. Okay, keep your indicator on, doesn't matter, take a 5 minute, 10 minute, 20 minute, just keep your indicator do, and keep doing your assessment. When you checking your mirror, what you need to assess, I teach you today. Do you remember something? When you're going to line change, how you going to assess and what you going to check for a line changing? If you see a full car with empty space front of the car, that is safe gap.
yes.
Okay.
We not saw in number plate.
Yeah, if you're not able to read the number
Yeah.
plate of the car, so that is second point, means it's also a safe gap. And the third point, you need to check it, if you need to check the car speed. If the gap is decreasing, don't change a line, because that person start to speed up and he don't want to give you giveaway. If the gap is increasing, best to change a line change, because that person start to slow down for you. Okay, and when you're giving your indicator, and if the gap is same, not decreasing, not increasing, and you have you able to see, you're not able to see the number plate of the car, and you can see the full car with front of that there is an empty space, that is also a sign of the safe gap. So next roundabout we're going to turn left from right line, means you need to turn left from the same line. So after this roundabout we're going to do line changing. You can go because that car is going straight, so you don't need to wait. Make sure turn a bit faster because the car is coming, because if you're going to turn slow you will not able to maintain the gap. So now when you feel safe, when you're ready, move to left line please. Very nice, well done. And after that no need to rush. If you feel safe, then do it, and if you don't feel safe, don't do it. There is no pressure, no need to hyper anything, just indicator, no stress anything. The main important point is here, student when they give their indicator, they get hyper, they get stressed, they want to do immediately. And if they think they will not finding safe gap, they not find, they make it their mind hang, and they're not able to make it any decision. No,
Yes.
just keep it your indicator on, and after that keep doing your assessment. Once you feel safe, do it. If you don't feel safe, don't do it. So this traffic light, we're going to turn left into right line.
We can go.
No, light is, look, how you can go in the red light. Make sure you're looking the another side. You need to look this straight. If the light is red, you're not allowed to go. If you will cross the red light, the police can give you very high fine, and it could be a big accident also. So when you feel safe, when you're ready, move to left line, please. Give your indicator. Don't hyper, don't rush, don't pressure yourself. Take it easy. Just enjoy when you're watching. Enjoy when you're watching the side mirror. Try to look, try to look how the car is reacting when you're giving indicator. Some car they speed up, some car they slow down, some car they don't react anything, and sometime already there is a proper safe gap. So these things you need to check in the mirrors. Move to right line, please, when you feel safe. Very good, well done, Samana. This is very good line changing you're doing now. So turn right, please, when you feel safe from this roundabout. Turn right into right line. And we also doing here some practice for the roundabout also. The here is a lot in this area, there is a lots of roundabout. If you guys have a confusion about the roundabout, you can watch this video also, so you will clear your all doubts about roundabout and about the line changing. These two main thing, the student they fail their driving test because they're not able to understand about the roundabout, when they need to go, when they don't need to go, and about the line changing also. So this roundabout, make sure if the car is from the front, the car is going straight, you don't need to give way, you can go. Even you can go even in the car in the roundabout. If it car position is around 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock, or they are opposite side of you, even there is in right indicator is on, still you can go, because by the time they're going to come close to you, you already about to take a exit. Okay, and always for a roundabout, see a big picture of the roundabout, don't see a small picture of the roundabout. Try to look for the big picture. Some student they only looking the right. When they looking the right, they're not able to go, because sometime maybe you will not get a safe gap because of the right hand side, but you will get a safe gap because of left hand side. Because if left hand side the person right indicator is on, so that means he turning right. 90% of the time he turning right. So by the time he going to turn right and front of the right hand side car, because right hand side car they need to give way to that car, and you will about to take a exit. Move to left line, please, when you feel safe. No need to rush anything. Side of us there is a youth, anything is coming. Very good, well done. Very good, well done. You're doing very good line changing. So we're turning left here. Roundabout facing again. Look, that you can go because that right there was a white car front of the right hand side car. So you can go because they're going right. So make sure, be very careful here. Always try to see a big picture of the road. Don't try to look close to your car, and make sure keep checking your mirror when you're driving. If you want to be very quick learner, so make sure keep looking your mirrors. We don't don't have a space for a line changing here, so we will go back again and we're going to do line changing over there. So we're going to turn right here. So we're going to do a U-turn somewhere and we will come back here. No, right, look, see a big picture of the road. What are you looking, Samana? This is just a one way.
Oh.
You need to see the island also middle of that. If you see any cement thing on the road and that island, that means this is one road only.
Okay.
One side is for going, one side is for coming. Because you was about to go to wrong side. Because don't see, that's why I always say in my videos also. So always, why you waiting, Samana? There no even a car is close to us. So if no one is coming, then go. Make sure don't stress anything. Keep your mind open. Don't go so much deep. If even you're not able to make a decision, you're not able to make a action. So there is no benefit to get extra conscious. Student, they get extra conscious and they're not able to perform very well. So in this roundabout, we're going to do U-turn. Actually, need to be very careful. That person was reversing. So end of the straight, we're going to turn left. Make sure whenever examiner they say to you anything, check your mirror first. Maybe you're driving very good and you're not looking your center mirror, they can fail you. So here is a stop sign. Stop sign, always you need to stop for 3 seconds. So feeling bit comfortable in line changing, Samana?
Yes, from yesterday.
From yesterday you feeling
And
very
I
good?
saw so many videos.
Very good. So that means you're doing homework. Because if you do homework, sometimes people they only think they need to do only physically practical and then they will get comfortable in the driving. No, there is a lots of theoretical knowledge also. If you will give some time to that practice, time to that task, you will be perfect.
Yeah.
Very quick.
I saw so many video for a reverse parallel parking. When Ritika told me,
Yep.
I go first time.
Yeah, you start to do it first time. That's
Yeah.
really good. And what about line changing? Yesterday I teach you make sure keep watch lots of YouTube videos
Yes.
on for the line changing. So did you see the other people mistake what they doing mistake in a line changing?
His first mistake is
Right?
his speed limit always sometime is high and sometime is low. First of all.
Oh yeah,
I-
that's very good thing you notice. You can go, Usmana. That was safe gap. That car was so far. Even go very fast, Usmana. So it was properly safe gap. Turn right. When your right indicator is on. So because even if you only you need to see the right hand side. If there is no vehicle just 1 meter or 2 meter away from that line. If they are a little behind, you don't need to worry. Because once you will enter in the roundabout, everybody will give way. Okay. Once you will enter in the roundabout, everybody will give way. You don't need to give way for a right hand side so far. If no one is just close to the line, you don't need to give way. So move to left line, please, when you feel safe. Very good, well done, Samana. This is very good. Only I will just recommend you when you was doing shoulder check, don't do too many times. Don't do little. Only just do it one time only. If you will do one, because we need to save our time to control our car. Because if you're going to do too much shoulder check, so it will take, like, look, there is a double line roundabout. In a double line roundabout, make sure don't mingle the lines, just be in your line. If you will go to another line without indicator, and with this is very big mistake, because the people, they not able to understand where you going, and they can hit you. So always indicator, always in the roundabout, just be in your line. Make sure, because in the roundabout there is a bend, there is a little bit turnings, so you need to follow that and make sure turn fast. Because if you choose any time little bit small gap, or you see the car is coming, that time just keep in the mind, the car is, they will not slow down for you. You need to speed up, you need to turn bit fast. Okay, if any time, whenever you taking any exit, and ever any time you turning roundabout, or turn left or right, turn left into right line, so you need to turn bit fast than normal. Very good, well done. This is very good decision you made. Every time you make a very good decision, appreciate that, feel that. Is all about feeling. If you will start to feel you doing good, you will start to do good. Only thing is your confidence level should go up every time you're doing anything. Move to left line please when you feel safe. Very good, well done. Very good, well done. Very good line changing. So now it's a bit quieter here, so you're feeling a bit easier in quiet places. So we will do also in a busy time, busy place also. Move to right line please when you feel safe. So next traffic light, we're going to turn right into right line. Turn right into right line. And here sometime the examiner, they're going to say to you, take a next right into right line. Student, they get confused when they say to them take a next right into left line. They try to go left. No, you need to listen first word very carefully. If they're saying turn right, means you need to turn right, and the second word, which line you need to go. Okay, Samana. Very good, well done. So move to left line please when you feel safe. Give your indicator, Samana, straight away, and after giving indicator, no rush. When you're checking, just keep check. Only the trick of the line change, keep checking it regularly, continuously, again and quick checkings. Student, when they check side mirrors, they check too much left or right mirror. When if they look straight, they look too much. They're not able to move. They're not able to check quickly. Because if you will check so much, you will not able to control your car from the front. But if you will to check a little bit straight, little bit left, little bit straight, little bit straight, little bit straight, little bit left, little bit right, so you know what is going around. Turn right from left line. So in this roundabout, we're going to turn right from left line. So this roundabout is very, look, all the vehicle people, the left indicator is on, so make sure be in your line, Samana. Look, you need to turn little bit your car left hand side. Okay, so if you are most of the student, they make a mistake when they are in a left side, in left line. When they're in left line, because they need to keep their car little bit left, but they don't, because that roundabout is bending, but turning, they're not able to keep, they're not able to bend their car, they're not able to turn their car, they forget to turn. So make sure if you are in a left line, turn your car a little bit and just be in your side. So now move to right line please after this traffic light when you feel safe. Now it's a little bit busier area, so busier area we will know how you're going to line changing now. What happened, Samana? Where are you looking? The problem is, Samana, you're looking the wrong places and wrong side, I think. Even no one was in a side line. So you were still, you was going, no going, no going, no going. So maybe you was looking your backside cars, yeah? Move to left line please when you feel safe. Remember I teach you, no one is there, Svana. What are you doing?